Alrighty, first update on the full drive conversion on the off-road mower. So, first thing, I'm working on the hubs right now. I have these washers. They have a 1-inch bore. I just picked up a couple of these Tractor Supply, and same with these bearings. These are 3/4 inch inner diameter. I think these are like, I don't know, $1.50 a piece. And what I'm going to do for the hubs, this is what's going to turn your wheel after your U-joints. So what I'm going to do is I've already got 2 of them welded up. I'll show you how I did that. And those are not flange bearings, but the bearings have a little bit of a lip to them. So here we go. Here's my transaxle. Alright, so this is just a mock-up right now. I'm going to cut the shaft at about here. Put 2 notches in it. I ordered 2 steering U-joints. We'll see how those work out, whether they'll hold up in this application or not. I'm not sure, but we'll find out. They're 3/4 inch inner diameter, so they should just slide onto the shaft. They do have set screws, but I'm going to weld them on because there's going to be a lot of torque pushing through those. So I'm going to weld those on. Might as well use the set screws and weld them on. And so it's going to be cut off. The shaft's going to be cut off right about here. U-joint's welded on, or however long the U-joint is. It should come to about somewhere in here. The shaft is going to slide into the other side of the U-joint, and this is going to be my hub. Right now I just have the 2 halves. You can see I have those 2 bearings. These are just tacked in place. This is not what's going to hold them. This is not what's going to hold them on. I previously was going to use the washer and have this flip, basically this bearing right here on this side, and just use one washer and then weld my pivoting joint on top of that. But these bearings have very thin metal around them. Even on the lowest setting on my welder, I was burning through the bearings. So I'm just tacking them in place, and I redid my idea. I put 2 of them together, flipped them around. They're going to go together just like that. And I'm going to clamp these good and tight, and then I'm going to weld steel in between that. And from there I'm going to weld some bar stock up and then reinforce that, come over, and that's going to form my ball joints, I guess you could say, and then whatever you call that, the hub assembly. So, and I'm not sure. I have some extra 3/4 shaft from another transaxle. I'm considering whether I should do a 4-bolt hub with a flange, kind of like this. Only it's gonna be way bigger, of course. And you have 4 bolts, and that's what, with studs on them, and that's what you bolt your tire to. Or if I will get an extra length of this and extend it out, and use that to use the existing lawn tractor tire setup, where you have a 3/4 inch bore with a keyway setup, and then your, what is that, C-clip on the end. I think that's what I'm gonna do, but we'll see how it goes, how it all progresses, and see what all works out in that way. I think I'm gonna do the keyed shaft, but that's the plan for now. So, but anyway, that's what I have right now, and like I said, these are just, so far I think I've had like 15 bucks put into this. I have the washers and the 4 bearings and everything. That's, I think it's like 10 bucks, and then the U-joints are, I think they were 20 bucks a piece. Stainless steel U-joints off eBay. So anyway, when those come in the mail, we'll do another update, and we'll get the U-joints put on and finish our hub assembly, and move on from there, and we'll be working on the control arm next. So, alright, that's the first update.